Namaste to all. My name is Urmila. I am an IT professional and I have joined here to Satguru painting classes recently. I had little bit of experience in painting where I used to look at the YouTube channels and try to get my own ideas and paint whatever comes in my mind, where it was very vague initially. So I decided to join Satguru classes and learn it the professional way, where sir would teach me how to go about each and every step from the beginning. So he made me even to learn on mixing the colors. So I would know the shades and things very clearly. So he gave me the confidence to understand how do I observe the painting, how do I look at the light source, which was very important, and I did not know about it. So to an artist, what are the points you need to really look through and start painting? So that is something I really would like to say, that here in this institution they really teach you from the beginning, from basic. So today I have finally completed the painting under the guidance of sir, and I feel very good, and it is such a nice experience to take this painting home and show it to everybody. I definitely recommend everybody to come here and learn from the beginning. I think everybody needs this session where you will have a vague idea and you do not know what really to do, where to start from. So it is very important to learn it the right way so that you will understand it better and learn it in the correct way. So thank you so much, sir, for all your guidance and having the patience to show it and then correct me wherever I have gone wrong. Thank you so much.